Hey, yeah. What now?
I'm not taking my girlfriend.
Oh, you want Dawson's car so you can drive your girlfriend around?
Yeah.
Where are you going to take her?
Home house.
A haunted house?
Mm-hmm.
What if she don't like haunted houses?
Whole day home house.
Oh, she does?
Yep.
Does she like farm animals?
Yeah.
So she going to help me come feed the animals?
No, home house. My
Oh,
girlfriend, I took my girlfriend and Mickey.
to see Mickey?
Yeah.
Hey, call my animals. You got to help me feed them.
Well,
Up here at the fence.
yeah, sure do for me.
Sure. I see that little booty.
A key in there. A
Yeah.
world key in there.
They were.
A world key in there.
Yeah. Think you going to take off driving? You might need to pass your driving test,
did.
SpongeBob.
I'm good.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm good lighting.
Ah.
Only
Here they come. Here comes some of them.
Dewey.
You like
Take
that?
care. Take care what it look like.
That's what the pig says. I don't think you helping much. Here comes the donkeys. They're gonna want all this food. What, baby? I like that. Whoop! I'm gonna step on you. I about stepped on you, didn't I? Okay, now, watermelon. Woo!
Yeah.
That's a mess. Did it splash you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
See my girlfriend.
Oh, you want to go see your girlfriend?
Mhm.
You done with me? You done helping me?
I tried to call
Hey,
her.
you tried to call her? What'd she say when you tried to call her? What'd she say?
I'm not telling you.
You're not going to tell me? Oh, you will
Me,
tell me.
her, and honeymoon.
You're going on a honeymoon?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, honeymoon.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go?
See, my brother too.
See what your brothers are up to on your honeymoon? I don't think iCarly's going to want to go check on your brothers.
Yeah, he will.
No, she's going to want to go to like a beach or a tropical
Hot
island
tub.
and hot tub.
Me, her, you got a hot tub too.
Yeah, she's not going to want to go check on your brothers. Silly. All the animals have gotten some snacks.
What? What?
Fifi says, come see me, Nick.
What?
Fiona, the donkey.
What?
What, Fiona?
What?
Did you miss your mama? Yep. She missed us, Nick.
Look, take it, look.
You got a video of her? How cute. Good
Take it,
job. I see that.
Look.
Good job. All right, you ready to go to Vacation Bible School?
I see my car.
You gonna take the car? Just because Dawson's moved, you think you can ride off in that?
Mm-hmm.
You got to pass your driving test first.
I did say my teddy.
No, you didn't, SpongeBob. I remember Miss Puff saying you didn't pass.
I did
Because you
say.
don't know how to
I
drive,
got
SpongeBob. We'll work on it, though. I'll teach you how to drive.
I teach myself a drive.
Oh, you're going to teach yourself? You don't need me?
Nope.
Thanks. Gee, thanks. All right, bye.
Right, old lady.
Hey.